Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Running a batch file from Python can be useful when you need to automate tasks that are already defined in a batch script. Here's a step-by-step tutorial on how to do this. Step 1. Create a batch file. First, create a batch file with the commands you want to run. You can do this by creating a new text file and saving it with a .bat extension. For example, you can create a file named my_script.bat with the following content. Step 2. Write Python code to execute the batch file. Next, you can use Python's subprocess module to run the batch file. Here's an example code snippet. In the code above, replace path _to _your_batch_file \my_script.bat with the actual path to your batch file. Subprocess.call is used to run the batch file. The shell equals true argument is used to run the batch file in a new shell process. Step 3. Run the Python script. Save the Python code in a .py file and run it using a Python interpreter. This will execute the batch file specified in the code. That's it. You have successfully run a batch file from Python. You can customize the batch file and Python code according to your specific requirements. Let me know if you need further clarification or assistance.